In this video, how to disable beep sound in WSL terminal on Windows. One of the issues I have with Windows terminal is the annoying sound that gets triggered when I hit a text or navigation boundary using the tab, backspace, or arrow keys. First, make sure you've installed the latest version of Windows terminal. If not, you can update it from the Microsoft Store. Now, open the Windows terminal settings. You can select a profile or select the default profile to disable the sound in all profiles. As you can see, the beep sound was gone. And that's it. Thanks for watching and see you in next videos.